Want to send money to Bangladesh but stuck figuring out GCash? I've got you covered. First, understand GCash is primarily for use within the Philippines. You can't directly send money to a Bangladeshi GCash account, as it doesn't exist. Instead, use a money transfer service that partners with local Bangladeshi banks or mobile wallets. Popular options include Wise, Remitly, and WorldRemit. Open your chosen money transfer app and create an account if you don't already have one. Enter the recipient's details, including their Bangladeshi bank account information or mobile wallet number, like GCash or Nagad, if available. Back in your GCash app, select Bank Transfer. Choose your linked bank as the source of funds. Ensure your bank account has enough balance. Carefully input the amount you want to send to your money transfer service. Double-check all the recipient details and confirm the transaction. Now, go back to your chosen money transfer app. Use the money you transferred from your bank through GCash to fund your transaction, and you can send it to Bangladesh. Transfer times vary depending on the service, but it's usually much faster than traditional methods.